Hey everybody, it's Abby. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Petit Vour box for August. So here is the box. I opened it already. I got a little impatient, but... So the first thing in here, I got this card thing like always. Tells you the products and how much they cost. First thing on top is the First thing on top is the Saint Tropica Hot Oil Hair Mask. I feel like I've seen somebody talk about this on YouTube, and they said it was really good, but you don't need the whole thing. So, yeah, I don't know. I don't know how this is going to do with my, what am I trying to say? I don't know how this is going to do with my colored hair now, so maybe I have to wait till it fades out a little more to try this, because I'm like, you know how like oil can be makeup remover? I wonder if like hot oil would remove hair color. I don't know. It's already fading super fast because I absolutely refuse to wash it in cold water because I hate cold water. But yeah, it's like getting a lot lighter pink now. So I'm really interested to give this a try. I probably could have used it when my hair was longer and looked ratty because it was so damaged. So maybe that would have helped it. I don't know. And then I got the Formulary 55C Clay Body Mask. And it comes in this paper envelope, and then it's in a little sachet pouch thingy. It looks really weird. It smells really weird. But you just mix this with water, or... wait. So I guess you get your skin wet and then just apply it over. This is a body mask, though not really a face mask. Although it says you can use it as like a spot treatment if you have oily skin. So, what's in here? Made of Dead Sea mineral clay, matcha powder, activated charcoal, and essential oils. So this is like a super pure detox mask. There's no like funky stuff in it. So, yeah. Interested to give that a try because I do get breakouts like on my neck and like the upper part of my back. Just a thing that happens. Like, I can't be the only one, right? And then I got this Audacity. Oh, yeah, but like me trying to pronounce anything French. I even took French in college, and I still can't pronounce. Audacity Pure Elements Black Mint Cleanser, Charcoal and Rasool. I have no idea what that is. Purifying and Cooling Gel. Wait a minute. You know how on these little tubes they have a date printed on them? I hope this is the manufacture date and not the expiration date because it was a year ago. It's 9/11/2017. I really hope that's the manufacture date. But it says ultra fresh minty gel transforms into a purifying foam that delivers an instant deep cleanse, eliminating excess oil, impurities, and environmental toxins and makeup. Shake well, massage onto damp face, avoiding eye area, rinse thoroughly with water. So, just a cleanser, I guess. And then the last thing in here was the Eye of Horus, what's this even called? Dynasty Brow Define. So I've heard of this brand before. They have a really unique, like, thing going on. They're all, like Egyptian. Like, it's just different from anything else you've seen, like, in makeup. So, this is in the shade Medium. It's just an eyebrow pencil, basically. Feels just like the NYX Micro Brow, Anastasia Brow Wiz, all those. So it looks a little dark for me. I mean, maybe with this hair I can get away with it. But, yeah, I'll give that a go and then let you know what I think at some point. And I am planning, like, maybe the end of this week, early next week, of doing, like, a roundup of previous products that were in Petit Vour boxes. Because I am not able to, like, try everything every month at once and then, like, give you what my thoughts are. I mean, I should be able to, but I just can't get around to it. So, I have tried a few things. I've written down my thoughts, and then I will give those to you at some point. So, yeah, that's about it. If you want to know how to get this makeup look right here, it's very different. I know it's a full face of cream products. So, I will link that video down below because it'll already be up by the time you see this. And... yeah, that's about it. Just give it a thumbs up if that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.